guys, today I have these Kinder Joys and I'm only going to open one since I don't know if the chocolate is good or not. So let's get started. Ooh, look at it. Stop. Delish, but I don't know which one's good. Okay, let's open the toy first because I'm really excited about the chocolate. So we'll save that one for last. I broke it! It's very delicate, so... Oh, this is the chocolate. Chocolate. Look at the chocolate. We need a spoon, so we're going to get this spoon right up in here. And let's taste this. See if it tastes good. I think I have this. Tastes good. Okay, open. That looks so good. I just want to get this. Okay, moving on. I don't know what this is. Game? Yeah, this is a game. This is a game. These instructions can be hard. I think this is how you do it. Is white. Done! Okay, that's not actually how you do it, but yeah. This is not how it's supposed to work out, so let me just, I got it! Okay, so basically, the game was a board game, and Mom, I think you need to help me open this, or not open this, do this game. So basically, it's supposed to be a game, and you're supposed to like take this, spin the thingamajiggy thing, and everything like that. So Mom, I think you need to set this toy up for me while I open the other Kinder Surprise. Mom, you need to set this other game up for me so I can do the other Kinder Surprise. I know white is so weird that I can't do it. Anyways, let's get on to the other Kinder Surprise. I know this is. Anyways, the Kinder Egg, if you want to know where it is, it's at HEB. My place. It's at HEB. My mom and dad found it for me, and I was very happy. And I'm opening it right now, so I hope you guys are watching. But if you didn't watch to this, you won't know where to get the Kinder Egg. If you know what the deal. I mean, I guess. Anyways, the Kinder Joy egg just but kind of pretty much good. Mom, you need to set up the game and
Did you turn it off already?
need to open this. Anyways, this was good.
I'll see this for later.
You need to put that game. So basically I told you I am only opening one. Wait. Why am I only opening one? Why am I only opening one?
Save the rest for now.
You can always go buy more. You only want to open it.
You put the stickers on.
You're supposed to take this in half. This. Okay. So we have little cards here. Just to whip them in half and something like that. Sure. Okay, so here are the cards. There we go. So here are the cards. Everything you need. The cards look like this. Okay.
This thing. So you can put all your cards like this. And then you spin. And you need to land on a bird. Choose a bird. Nope, not a bird. Good now. Next.
Okay, guys. So you're supposed to have all these cards in a line, and then you're supposed to spin this before there's different animals on it. You're supposed to
You want any more?
no spin. Oh my god. This is hard to spin for some reason. Why can't I spin this thing? Yes, and you're supposed to spin it. And you're supposed to spin it, and like when you spin it, like, oh, I got like pretend you like got a fox, or pretend you like got a fox, and with your cards and line, you're supposed to pick like, oh, I'm picking a card. It's not a fox. Put it back in line. So like you have to try to get the animal you chose. So yeah, but if you want me to make another video, I still have another game to add doing. So, like and subscribe. I need this video to go to 500 likes. Or if you want, it can be 10 likes, or 20, or 30, or 500. So, anyone you want, I hope you will. That would be a long time, and I really want to open the camera door, so let's open it. Okay, Mom, can I please open this? Wait, I don't want to save it.
Save for later because you're going to eat the candy. Save for tomorrow. Push stop on that.
Okay, well, guys, I hope you loved this video, and I think, what did I just do?
If you want to get on the other
I couldn't.
while doing this
What
one.
happened?
Now she's YouTubing.
Mom, something happened. Tried to go to here. This happened.
Oh, you stopped it.
I didn't stop it.
Oh, you gotta stop it.